everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lulila. Lulila means love, live, and laughter. It's also the combination of the names of my three daughters, Louise, Lian, and Lara. Join me in my living room tour. Today I'm doing a living room tour and I'm featuring some of my indoor plants. So let's get inside. Over here are the succulents. Some are gifts. Hi. And these baskets, I propagate them from cuttings or from the mother plants. So I've got cute containers that I bought from the charity shop. It's 4 for £1. And I'm featuring my channel, My Lulila, my love, my life, my laughter, my Louise, my Lian, and my Lara. So, nasa ko yung videos about these indoor plants that I'm showing you. You see here the another indoor plant design ideas. Ang finished product ani niya is this one, the fortune plant, and the snake plant, the sansevieria, it's over here. And another video, this Hedera helix or the variegated English ivy is over here. And until now, very healthy gyapon siya. Bisag na siya nagstay din hi. Nga dili man siya shaded nga area. Some of these plants I will put it back to where I got it. Some are from the kitchen and the dining area. Kay naman sila sunlight dito. Kani din wala man kay sunlight kay covered man siya with this curtain and then napadyo blinds sa likod sa curtains. I've got here our altar in this corner. So I even included these two edible plants, the spring onion and this mint leaves, mint plant. I'm going to put it back to the kitchen for easy access kung kinahanglanan og ingredients. This is a fortune plant that's in the video and English ivy. I also have a video about these orchids that I bought, my ever first orchid, and I also got a video about this one, the design making of this pot. Wala ko'y video ani. I will make another video but another design. And then this one is my aloe and another succulent. So kanya silang mga pot, I bought it from the charity shops. And I also got this one over here. Wala sad ko yung video ani. And lastly is this bonsai over here. It's a gift from my husband. Wala man kaayo may butang sa among living room. This sofa that That's over here kay amo ni siya mga pinalit from charity shops. Barato ra man among palitan ni. And kaning TV stand kay charity gyapon ni. The TV stand, I think it's less than 20. That table over there is less than 10 pounds. Charity gyapon na. Mostly charity. Ang katong ito small table charity gyapon to. Giduka man ko eh. Mora to. Ipangbalik na ko ni silat sa ilang mga lugar after this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, My Lulila. Thanks. Bye.